Hello, my name is Alejandro. I broke my elbow, my radial head last year, and my radial nerve squeezed my hand and I lost all function to my left hand. Major challenges were mental due to the fact that my hand was non-functionable and basically lots of homework and studying I found using the internet and following reels of physical therapy and occupational therapy. I ran into Juan's videos. The reason that I decided to come here with you guys because I felt that I needed a more specialized training for recovery of my arm and elbow. My experience has been excellent because of the process for which manual therapy has helped me gain my recovery without much pain bearing. I have seen the 8% improvement. I had zero function of my left hand, and today, as you can see, I'm opening, closing. I could not stretch my arms. I could not grab things. I'm extremely grateful to the service you guys have provided me. I'm extremely happy and grateful that you guys exist and that you guys have helped me recovery function of my hand. Last year, I was completely non-functionable due to all the nerve pain. It was unbearable. I couldn't leave the couch because of my arm, major pains. Couldn't do anything with my left hand. I felt like a paralyzed person. So I believe I started the process wrong due to guidance. I was sent initially to a physical therapist where I felt that they were too extreme and I was incapable of doing what they were requiring me to do because it was too soon. They wanted me to do certain hand exercises when I couldn't even open my hand. So it made me feel like quitting because I thought I was incapable. Then I moved over to an occupational therapist because they lied to me and they said that they were a certified hand therapist. And when I was there, they too had me going through pain-bearing exercises, putting a 5-pound weight on my left arm and letting it hang there for multiple minutes. And it was an unbearable pain for which I withstood the pain because I was around so many people, I didn't want to seem embarrassed. But it was extremely painful and I did not want to go there any longer. I was only there for about a week when I insisted and moved over with you guys. And it was an extreme blessing to find you guys because I believe if I wouldn't have come to your place, I would have stayed paralyzed and I wouldn't be able to deal with myself. There was no stretching involved, there was nothing. It was just here, come here, sit down and let's put this weight on your arm. They might have put a little bit of warmth, but I believe not. It was straight to the fact, a little bit of massaging and straight to the point of the stings and certain exercises that I understand them to be good now because I'm functionable and I want to stretch these areas. In the beginning, you needed to adjust because I had pains everywhere. It was terrible. And then with all the muscle atrophy, I couldn't do things because I had no muscles. They had all died. It has been an amazing experience because it's super depressing to try to do something that your mind says you're able to do, but you can't. Just a simple part of grabbing your keys, grabbing your phone. I couldn't tie my shoelaces. And struggling, I would tie them because you didn't want to feel like, hey, can you tie my shoe for me? I like to be independent. I'm super grateful to Carol, has gratefully been there and pushing me, but without pain and letting me judge my treatments as I felt comfortable with. She never forced me or insisted that I do something that I was unable to do, and always questioning if I felt okay while doing it, which was very important because it shows that they care for your well-being. So I was extremely grateful of her professionalism and her direct contact with me, helping me in every way for my full hour. Not to judge other places, but I would only get 40 minutes out of a 1-hour session. But here, I was grateful to do the hour, and I'm again super duper grateful, and I can never stop saying thank you to all the crew